Welcome to the final part of our Beijing tour. Today we step behind the public halls into the private sanctuary of the emperors, the inner court. We begin at the gate of heavenly purity, where the public administrative world ends and the private imperial domain begins. Before us stands the palace of heavenly purity. For centuries, this was the primary bedroom of the Son of Heaven. Inside, notice the famous plaque above the throne. It hides a secret that once determined the fate of the empire. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell, so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Behind this plaque, emperors hid the name of their chosen successor in a secret box to prevent bloody battles for the throne. Turning west, we enter the Hall of Mental Cultivation, the permanent residence of the last 8 Qing emperors. It was here that Empress Dowager Cixi ruled China from behind a yellow silk curtain for nearly 50 years. This very hall saw the signing of the final abdication in 1912, ending over 2,000 years of imperial history. Moving east, we encounter the Nine-Dragon Wall, a 30-meter-long screen made of 270 glazed tiles. Each dragon is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, designed to block evil spirits from entering the palace grounds. Legend says the third dragon has a wooden belly, carved in secret by a craftsman to replace a broken tile. The wall uses the imperial numbers 9 and 5 to signify the supreme status of the emperor. Next, we wander into the Imperial Garden, a labyrinth of ancient cypress trees and ornate rockeries. Look for the consort pine, a 400-year-old tree symbolizing the harmony between the emperor and empress. 4 pavilions at the corners represent the seasons, blending nature with imperial architecture. The imperial family would climb Gathering Beauty Hill to view the city they were never allowed to leave. Finally, we reach the northern exit, the Gate of Divine Might, once the primary gate for the imperial harem. As we step out, we leave behind the world's largest palace complex and its 500 years of secrets. Thank you for joining our 3-part walking tour of Beijing. We hope you've enjoyed the journey. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.